When we harvest things like kale and Swiss chard, we want to make sure that we don't kill the goose that lays the golden egg, because if we harvest this right, we will get leafy greens all the way through November. So what we want to do is not this. Okay, see, somebody took those inner leaves. You always want to harvest the outer leaves, and just 1 or 2 leaves from each plant. Okay, and by doing that, you'll stimulate the plant to grow. Same with here. This poor little chard is over harvested, and so therefore he's struggling just to survive. So meanwhile, we have a beautiful chard plant right here, and what we would do is we would take these bottom leaves, 1, 2, and then we go on to another plant, leaving this guy. You've now stimulated his growth, and then you go on to another plant. There's one over here. So I can take the bottom leaves here, 1, 2, and leave the rest to grow. See this little Vista kale here, he's been over harvested. Okay, so just 1 or 2 leaves from each plant. We have tons of plants. Move around the garden and just get the bottom leaves. Do not take the inner leaves or the top leaves.